Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your profile views or how to enable your profile views so you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days timeline. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile on it. So as we're here, we're going to click the three stripes in the top right corner. I'm gonna click on settings and privacy. Next, we're gonna select privacy again. And as we scroll down, we're gonna see right below post views, we have profile views, and it's defaultly set it to off. So we're gonna go on and click on that. And as you can see here, we have the description, see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow people to see that you viewed theirs. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And we're going to go back. As you can see, profile views is now on. It's no longer off. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.